So Genesis Waterfall started actually as a product that we developed internally for aquatic artists to install. And what was happening was our waterfalls generally start around $10,000 and they go up. We were getting a lot of calls on social media. People wanted to spend $5,000 to $6,000 and we just couldn't service them. We were getting a lot of calls. So I said to our team, I said, what if we could install a retail price $5,000 to $6,000 waterfall and have profitability, make it consistently profitable? What would that look like? And they said, there's no way you can do it. No way you can do it. Can't be done. Can't be done. Again, we have a pretty substantial overhead structure, so building something for $5,000 was just not realistic. So I said, how can we do it? How can we do it? How do we build a $5,000 to $6,000 waterfall? 2 guys, no equipment, 1 day. 1 day, no matter where it is in our work area, even if it's a 2-hour drive to the job site. So after a lot of back and forth and heavy duty negotiations and arguing and screaming and throwing things, we came up with it and we developed it, but it was for us. So we developed a system where we could do it and it worked out phenomenal. We ended up installing about 20 of them and we got so good that we were doing it in a couple hours. We were literally doing it in an hour or 2. From when we showed up to the site, 1 to 2 hours we were done. So I said, man, this is phenomenal. Customers loved it. It was affordable. I said, this is a great product. This would be a great product to sell. How could we turn this into a product that we could sell where other contractors can install it for that same number and make consistent profitability with no headache? And we went through the whole process, figuring out shipping, installation, everything associated. And that was a big, heavy lift. It was a hard thing to do. To make something simple for someone else to install that may not have waterfall building experience is actually really difficult because you have to systemize it all, right? Now you're in a product company, now you have legal, you have insurance, you have all these things. So after another 1.5 years, now we're 3 years in, we figured that out. We figured out palletizing and shipping. We could take this product, make it lightweight so someone can install it with no equipment, put it on a pallet, ship it somewhere. It included plumbing, the dye, it includes everything except the water and the sand. It includes the plumbing. So we designed a sales system where our master project managers who have been building waterfalls for 20 years, design and build every one of these kits. And they build them on a stage, rock by rock. They build it, put it together on a stage, and then they turn the waterfall on and run it so that we check that it doesn't leak. And you get to see what it looks like. We set it all up, we number all the rocks, we put a green screen behind it on the stage and turn it into a finished look. Then we put it on the website and we give it a kit number, each individual kit number. And when you look at it, you see a running waterfall with the exact rocks with a green screen background of a landscape. And it looks like it's on a pool. So it looks like a finished product. So the customer sees exactly what they're gonna get. And that's the key, right? So the idea is that's what it is, you see it. Once you pick the kit, and you pay for it, that kit gets taken off the website, it gets packaged and shipped directly to the job site. We overcome that challenge of the expectation being set. We tested it so it doesn't leak, and we made it very simple to install. We've launched that product line. Contractors have installed them other than ours. The feedback is phenomenal. They love it. It was easy. It's affordable. It's natural. So this is the first ever natural stone custom designed waterfall kit that can be shipped anywhere in the country and built at a reasonable price point with consistent profitability and no headache. So give us a call to discuss your next project. Thank you.